Let's kill him. Shoot him. Fuck yeah, baby. Ain't no pop with that bird, baby. Let's go, Brantley.
Fucking right, bud.
Oh my god, you torched him.
Still, bud. I got that on video.
Well, Brantley, how was it?
Good.
Came right up. Right here. Got to the bush.
Yeah. Oh, I did hit his.
Kept coming.
Just a little bit.
And smoked them. Watch, there'll be another one.
Did you put another shell in?